Where is your lunchbox, Pongudi?
My mother will bring lunch today, Ira.
Oh, is it Pongudi? We will share our lunch till your mom comes.
Hey Pongudi, your mom came.
Pungudi's mom will arrive and talks to her daughter in Tamil language.
ஆஃபீஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் வேலை இருந்துச்சு. கோச் காதடா. What about you all?
We all are doing good, Aunt.
And when you were speaking in Tamil with Pongudi, we just remembered our grade 5 school trip to Tamil Nadu.
Is it, children? As I am from Tamil Nadu, my mother tongue is Tamil. Did you all enjoy visiting to Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, Aunt, it was really phenomenal. We all enjoyed visiting Tamil Nadu by knowing its Asian traditions, art, music, and literature too.
Yes, you are right. Do you know, children? It is also called the land of temples. It is the home to around 33,000 ancient temples, mainly built along the Dravidian architecture.
Aunt, as we been to Tamil Nadu only for 3 days, we didn't know more about Tamil Nadu. As you are from Tamil Nadu, could you please share more about Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sure. Why not, Ananya? Let me first give you the introduction about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state and one of the most visited state in India. It is the 10th largest state by area and 6th largest state by population in India. There are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has produced several well-known classical performances, especially in the Bharatanatyam. The main attraction of Tamil Nadu is the beautiful hill station of Ooty, which is known as the Queen of Nilgiris. Before the Christian era, the Chola, Chera and Pandya kingdoms ruled here. There,
We visited different places like Kanyakumari, Mahabalipuram, Kodaikanal, and temples too. On the way, we saw the famous Devaratam and Pulatam dance forms too.
wow, is it so? I'm very glad to hear this.
Do you know, Aunt, when we visited the shops and temples of Tamil Nadu, they welcome through their Tamil language wishing us Vanakkam. Glad to hear that.
Yes, dear. Vanakkam is the traditional form of welcoming.
And will you show how do they welcome to that tradition?
Yeah,
நான் வாழும் பூமிக்கு வணக்கம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ தெரியாது ஒருவேளை இருந்தா சாமிக்கு வணக்கம் குத்த வச்சு கூத்து பார்க்கும்
Wow, it's really mesmerizing.
ஜல்லிக்கட்டு பார்க்கணும் போல இருக்குமாமா.
Shall we watch and enjoy the different dance forms of Tamil Nadu?
Yes, and
Bharatanatyam. It's an Indian classical dance form that originated in Tamil Nadu.
தமிழினிலே